Filling in for Rob Hagan. More than 1 million COVID vaccine doses have been administered in Colorado. In Mesa County, more than 5,000 people are fully vaccinated. The county has surpassed 18,000 total doses administered. KRX5's Logan Wilbur spoke with the executive director of Mesa County Public Health on vaccine efforts and recent improvements in getting shots in arms. He joins me live in the studio with more details.
Jillian, 750 doses were administered the first week vaccine distribution began in Mesa County. Now, more than 1,000 people are receiving a shot each day. Even with significant increases, Executive Director Jeff Core says there's plenty of room for improvement. Vaccination efforts are ramping up in Mesa County with more than 18,000 total doses administered, with the county now providing in excess of 1,000 doses per day.
I know early on people were frustrated at how slow this was going, but boy, it really picked up speed in a hurry.
Just 2 weeks ago, at least 15,000 people were on the county's vaccine waiting list, but Mesa County Public Health Executive Director Jeff Core says that is no longer the case.
We could be at about 75% of our 70 and over population. So that is an excellent response.
Providing vaccines for those 65 and older is happening sooner than expected, according to Executive Director Core. As Mesa County moves to yellow on the COVID dial, he says the improvements come before experiencing the benefits of vaccinations.
I don't think we've gotten to the point where we can say that has impacted hospitalizations, but I do expect that to be right around the corner. Hospitalizations we see mostly with individuals that are 60 and over, and then our deaths are mostly with individuals that are 70 and over.
He says people ages 20 to 40 make up a large portion of COVID cases, but often experience mild or no symptoms. So vaccination efforts for more at-risk populations will be of great benefit to the community and our healthcare systems. As daily vaccination numbers increase, the recent string of winter storms throughout the country has stalled traffic on highways and in return, the delivery of vaccines to states. While Executive Director Core says this is a concern for next week's delivery, he says no one registered for a shot will be impacted because the county only schedules 3 days in advance.
We also don't schedule appointments when we don't know that we've got vaccine. So, I would assume that next week on Monday and Tuesday, we probably are full at the convention center, but have not started to schedule beyond that.
In one area, Jeff Core says there can still be improvements is vaccinations of underserved populations, including blacks, Hispanics, and even our homeless community. He tells me county officials have met with local hospitals regarding this vaccine diversity plan.
Absolutely, that is in the works. We know that we need to go beyond, just those general numbers, those general kind of age group numbers, and be a little bit more specific with our outreach efforts. And so I would anticipate that starting to happen within the next week or so.
The recent increase to 1,000 doses administered each day is only for the convention center. Executive Director Core says there are plenty of people receiving vaccines at pharmacies all throughout the county as well. Those additional numbers likely mean more good news is ahead in our fight against COVID-19. Live in studio, Logan Wilbur, KRX5 News. Jillian?